Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We did another live stream, so we're going to be doing one later on. So the video is for tomorrow. So we're back here at Claude. So I got an idea, kind of gave me an idea. And today I was kind of thinking, like, what else can I do? So I'm just browsing through like some other applications and all that, and I'm thinking, okay, so I'm thinking, all right, so like, what else can I do? So okay, going through some applications and I'm thinking, okay, this, that, and I said to myself, wait a minute, Blender. Something I wanted to do, but like, what can I be better? Because like, can he make my like own AI type of thing? I'm already making this, so okay, let's see what we can do. So Blender and all these like concepts of like modeling and everything. Okay, so let's see what we can do. So that's what today I was kind of thinking, because like most people make a lot of stuff. There's email systems, there's organizers, there's stuff like people make stuff like Evernote. There's all this other stuff that people are making, and and it's actually quite amazing. So I know what else can we do. So we're gonna go into that, and okay, so. Okay, so let's see what we can do. Well, this is a game builder, asset type of stuff, so I'm kind of curious. Can I be done? Okay, so okay, so this is okay, so it's you can do okay, so okay, so we're trying to make it a little bit smarter, so I can't do the full functionality because Unreal and Frostbite and everything are a little bit in Blender, but it can come close to it, so at least there's that. So that's usually obviously on all the other videos it actually does do it, but like I think the thing with this one is Unreal is how do I put it? A lot of the source code and everything is a little bit more different. So looking like it's taken a while to build, but I do got another solution. I can just probably just like add like my other game engine that I put already, that I already have. So I'm gonna probably end up doing that. I'm just gonna probably end up like just adding like my other game engine that I've added, but like it's possible. But like again, okay, cool. Game Force Pro. So we got this. So we can got like all this type of stuff. Let's see if it actually works now. Okay, we got all this. We got the roughness. We got the keyframes. Okay, not too bad. Got the plane. Oh, look at that! It actually works this time. So look at that. You can actually do your cube. You can move it around. Oh, look at that! I made my own little thing. There you go. So this one's actually working. We got the intrude, subdivide. We got all this. So it's actually working. Quality medium, high or ultra. With keyframe animations, with the toggle physics. Okay, base colors, got all that. Okay, so I might go with maybe like a green. Oh, look at that! It works. That's pretty cool. So there you go. Okay, so obviously I can't add that. So maybe if we upload a file, can maybe do it. I think I got something here. I'm not too sure. Um, okay, let's see what happens. So we're okay. So for this one, we're gonna have to keep the chat going. So what we're gonna do is right here, we're just gonna copy the code right here, and then we're just going to see if we can continue to keep the chat going. This is one thing that right. Chat going, and then we're gonna go back to here, and then we're going to see if we can do this one. Okay, and then we can add our Git and everything, which is great too. But I don't really use GitHub too much. Let's see. Okay, so I can't do the looking like it's gonna more than likely exceed the limit because I did build my own little game engine. Okay, so it's that kind of sucks. 'Cause I did want to add some game engine functionality to it, but no, because I'm saying to myself, okay, I have my own type of stuff, so maybe I might add it. So I want to see if I can actually get that working. So it was working on Lovable actually, which is interesting. But there you go. So looking like I couldn't add the game engine features, unfortunately. But again, this still. So let's see. Let's go to engine, and then let's see what we have. We can do the cube. We can do the plane, cone. There you go. This is how it should have worked. I don't know. It feels like when AI actually decides to work, you can change the roughness right here, metallic feel. You can change your emissions. You can toggle the physics. See what the mass is, or big or smaller, friction. Move it all around. We can render type of stuff. Let's see, cube, render to cube. I don't know, import scene. Oh, look at that, I can import a scene. Okay, so let's check this out. So, okay, so let's import a scene. So let's say, for example, I'm just gonna type in book stuff. Okay, so let's put all files. So we're gonna do like a PNG. So we're gonna see view icons. We're gonna see this. Okay, so we're gonna see this. See if we can import it. Okay, so we can import type of stuff. Pop. Oh, look at this. Pop. Bro, there you go. This is how it should have been originally. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the mass. Oh, this is great. Reset. We can export a scene. And we can, okay, so let's see. We're going to put into the plane. And we're going to see the reflections right here. Reflections there. We can add our shadows. This is really sick. We got our little object scene graph. We can scale. Let's put scale at 3. There you go. This is how it should have been. There you go. So we couldn't. But this is the. But to sum it up, this is pretty much how I wanted it to turn out with my game engine. But there you go. It works. Like when AI actually wants to work, it's just fantastic. So there you go. We got somewhat of a workable engine, but like there you go. There you go. It works. It has some physics. I wanted to add the other type of stuff, but it couldn't be done. But like, hey, there you go. This is workable to me. So there you go. This is how you make something like a modeling game engine. We did it finally after after a while. But hey, it works. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. And as always, Mr. Z, signing out.